Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see Wi-Fi password on Android phone. So the first thing we'll do is head into your settings. So let's swipe up from here and tap on the settings or gear icon. From here, you can see at the very top, we will choose connections, and then you can see Wi-Fi is currently connected to a network. So I'm going to tap on Wi-Fi here, and you can see this is the current network. To be able to see that password, I can tap on the gear icon, and here you can see password. I can just tap on the little I, and then it will reveal what the password is. However, you can also do a QR code or a link. So at the very bottom, let's see share network, and it will use my Face ID to unlock this, and I can choose QR code or link from here. All I need to do is show someone else this QR code, or I can hit copy URL and then just text them that link, and they will be able to immediately connect to the same Wi-Fi network. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.